This is a special weather statement issued at 10:09 a.m. Forecast flooding increased from minor to major severity. The flood warning continues for the Grays River near Rossburg. At 8 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 13.4 feet, 11,140 CFS. Flood stage is 12.0 feet, and flood flow is 8,300 CFS. Minor flooding is occurring, and major flooding is forecast. This river is forecast to crest at 16.7 feet around 10 p.m. Tuesday. After the crest, it is forecast to fall below flood stage by Thursday morning. Impact, above 16 feet. Expect major flooding of lowland areas and roads in the vicinity of Highway 4 and Rossburg. Numerous road closures are likely. Some buildings in low areas near the river are threatened with flooding above this level. Be expected during high tides. This is a special weather statement issued at 9:28 p.m. Forecast flooding increased from moderate to major severity. The flood warning continues for the Wilson River near Tillamook. At 8 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 16.9 feet to 24,900 CFS. Flood stage is 12.0 feet, and flood flow is 16,200 CFS. Moderate flooding is occurring, and major flooding is forecast. This river is forecast to crest at 19.2 feet around 4 a.m. Wednesday. After the crest, it is forecast to fall below flood stage by around 6 p.m. Wednesday. Impact, above 19.0 feet. Expect widespread flooding in Tillamook and surrounding areas, along with the Wilson River RV Park east of Tillamook. Highway 101 through the northern portion of Tillamook has historically been closed at this and higher stages. The worst of the flooding can be expected during high tides.
Coastal Marine